ya nsuo na ni nsuo na 2024 cra at least yetimi omutimi nya binum no omudu 2025 1 month ni ye ntwiti nsuo ma wo mo enti omunye nsuo no na ya grace fan picture no video no to so ana oni o na eno no akofa nsem bebre aba ena ma MPP for ye miracles aboaje ene po yando mo etu ka ko ho mo koye press conference e kire se na enra enso so na womo eye demonstrators of galamsey no ena womo so e ka se o penjo mama magana for how mo na nya de obetimi akọ galamsey no oni nua Ibrahim is the biggest gold mine Moscow and I'm so any night dear bay wine etino obi on ensuring 2024 and 2025 the same place ensure no 2024 dini and 2025 dini ye koya nearby say ye koya nearby asem no and da ho na obi ehwe bie no aguna kwanyako 2024 and aguna kwanyako 2025 na rehosem say okotre no akwawe ni mako ena apochire ni ti ho fifiri aguna kwanyako ho nyina galamsey ni ho eastern region galamsey no na nsuo na etene na eba ma omo no ena efiri eastern region ena eba no nti ebeduru ha no na sei na aye abra aguna kwanyako fo mfa sofi ene chesere mo fom so omu 2 gold no bio eti okotre na aponchire ni owo aguna kwanyako wote hu fifiri yensuwa nyina ye didi agro na bedru mebi no nyarwa ne niema beti asete wo mem ha no ye nia ne besa betena radio so aboso bo ene sika di anim kan ya to the stand say street here die hwa hai say MC o wa aka so di ma obi o me 2 gold ye beba no age ho ye ka so obi me si dance main street mu ha abodam 70 ye beba no obi age ho ha say ya ton street na ma no nti ba bi obi kwan obefa so akodi fie no on fa so nko de ye nya ton street na ma no empenifo wa bem a omuma license a omo hwe ema galamsey ekoso part tikunya bi asofo obia de ho agim sofo ni bi ye gala gidigidi ananuma trankunya bi ye gala obu a wodi nsase le ma ni ama no tundra ya ma no Land Cruiser bo mu ade a wo mo je no omo enchirima wo mo nyine wo mo politician dey say bobo NDC wo position de bebrebe yi wo mo tisimu chesa ase enkran ne na eche wo the depai kosupa obi anim say go here lectures Professor Jampomu declare state of emergency na anani ebusa say ti galamsey ohun say o sisi adwuma na o ye ntiem na dwene nche dan ko o na dwene nche na mse wa dwene nko wa dwene be da ko in the name of politics ya say ye bibia o Ghana ye de esase petrol omo ye ya afa mu se afa de petrol Ghana fo fi ombi no mayi petrol e Johnson ne petrol obi antim fanye politics bio ya kwan omo the politics ama ya kwan nyina say because MPP ye kwan na say wadru 50% NDC aye kwan 50% MPP ba won to aso na kwan na hono eti timemufo huna mane wo ya kwantimpon so at the expense of politics yensase galamsey MPP demo ede ye ayi NDC at the year campaign where the year campaign one would the AC Ade Akye the politics but national I the politics near the Omanhene Yaw when ijano kromfo obi a waye bone atia oban no ye de Omanhene Yaw muramu pani aja Attorney General bae wa declare null prosecute Attorney General bia nipa no mu gina court NDC for waja obia ebi on ma ne MPP for no so ka ho bia na ndi se nkom asem no chenchen so e wo se nkom di asem na wie omo tena ha ma NDC bai ono so bai ne nkrofo no waja wo mo de wo so ko kan asem gra court no wo so waja obia when they null prosecute I'm no more interested in the case. Now your legal system is threatened by politics. Mra or mem hanomo atemuafo mu bumra is threatened. Parliament grade say or no president butum. Ko mo go nyina afo madwuma. Judiciary. What is it? Ade na aka. Ade na aka wo mem ha. Your chieftaincy attacks here and there. Idia him for attempt kasachom anano abranti bi kwasi ampani bi yesi fe ni Mustafa oso wo atwema wo sampotem ho no na jo na si sentiment se yesie ye himaye na opia bontin didi otum for atem na omo che na omo dividing anim for boys na community na enya manhia akra na bai na omo ko che no bo ma bono no ho omo bono papa and am se obi wa abroche na odi nsemu na wote ayi Ethiopia ususu beyebi na wa jimisa obi wa broche no oka asem a ono oka onim so obi a nchiri nti oka the free what if Ethiopia ya na wo cassette asantemawura hey na boy say ono beja ono am say free the whole a giant color and a Jimmy in the advent of social media and a Jimmy san Ubiane may roam by heart. The members also cassette Jimmy Sem Quasiasem sa. When you go to the social media, approach the woman this Quasiasem, a she who this yatra. Ade galamsey I you. Kwanyanko for Omunya Ghana for Omunya Ghana for. Ghana Water Company see up a 280% increment. Yeah, Ghana for hey, eso. E kwasi asema ye di no. Enti no mo say na nsuo no ye 25,000. Ena na mo hia etimi de dey. 25,000 o. Ena level na edura omutimi so ni nsuo no so mai. Yaw, say free 25 stability no na 25,000 sa level no say nsuo no efia koduro no e na omutumi so ne so maye e no kura no e ka omo body so ne so nyagro say free 25,000 do 32,000 or say about 280 no onfa enso ne so a wote ho ye dede wa wo so say nsuo bo ye de no unu etu gala tu gala no discard bread dia woje na ono obeso ne nsuo so ama mansan no de mfa ho and now come grassy or motor ayi chichiri water ne ba sachet omo fe ba ko chichiri water said the chichiri no e de sachet en grassy o anka ofa awra o consume a o kwakodo na wasabi anom eno an ye de no aduane wa ayi and now wutumi mfa ensuo eno aduane wudi jare kura han hia ensan bi abeti egu o en ye te Ghana na Mompani jo mama dentina galamsey ya osian se sia de minim say ye be de betimi nembom say it is better say galamsey no ye ne betu ya de ne benya sika se nsuo no say kra no a emfaso no e bai ho sen say kane no ana omo enye Ghana fo no etu. How can you say this? Na ye boy nsema no sia how they phone and say, Cranya, he said, San a baby and another suye. A Achimota forest. Was a nipa edit the community, the Omadi di Comuno, Yan to see and found the save 220 acres. No, the Akan there, Yan to see and found no Munchucha. It will issue a executive instrument. Now, what's you fear? Now, you fear no war, hold on now to war. No, BSC war, then Abaya and near maybe Hontino. Mumubu war, no, not the wire no Mumfana Mufas and a diner or the Akabesa. Yeah, the Ghana Semper in force, just say, oh, a Radinian coupon who may mobile. Who may mobile? Come on, Penny, see, a cry, a better say, ye day. Ye 2 yards and a say, crana, a better. Hey! Mercy. Olivia, down pump to say, any future life for to drink come on. A dianino, a day, a sasso, a ya pumped. Me almost life tonic no, and me and nimni. Nubra ending hahama maku 28. Bakuno grabs Devil's Claw. Sal ayi mano. Ya dear sano. E maku 28 to moka so mo boba. Won say ya no aye no. Inulin, one simulin, if I Omega one inunde, no one. Ya kwaba.
Mejo so brumini.
Ye
who an one cry.
Mami tima no pay.
And I no pay a de radia say so de da foforo achayen. Say ye ni de radia yo momo monye na munni ehurusie wo mu. Nsem no de okeka no. Aya na ebi ahomete, ebi ya. And I no pay me chi obi biara wo tie yen. Na your future, your life. That's one kwa. Enu de anyu obi na ebo amawo. Na me kura nwoma bi wa ha me hometi ye. Say the Daily Statesman on Friday, September 19th, wo hwa wo say Kolebu records 5,000 diabetes, 2,000 kidney cases in 6 Kolebu kwa 5,000 diabetes cases, 2,000 kidney cases in 6 months. Na anyway, nasa woduru enkana mem na Kolebu na record we ya. Ko 37 UGMC Ridge Hospital. UTC ya, neti UTC moa. Ne nkurase enso yetisi moa. Na so ma na yegira henefa. Che se ene ma ekoni nkoyi. Na me kamfo ama wo se achi ya ne mui. Ye de ye aduane ne ye ton. Aduane ne din e the future life. Da ache wo nkwa e na wo bo ho ban. Na no de enyu obi na ebobo amawo. Wotu aba watu agu. Enu de enyu obi na ebobo amawo. Fi se de otoma no no so wodwene ne de ho. Wodwene woni na busua ho. Enti no wow yeah they call just duru baby say dia ye ne wom kurase ye kura na yasem e ya
takwan hye ye nkura unru ho
ye ne wom kurase ye say nsuo
kura wuntimi ma
dabi samre kes ka kura wode ba na wahene nsuo ntima anto saa ema say ye buru ne body enum nyina ntimi ma saa o enu nti hwe wapom di ne ho asem ho yie na wo ma we kura ase de ya mianim no Omanhene e de nankasa na wo hwe ayi ahodo a ye be koro ensan wo bobo sika no kura wo kofa ne hen wapom di ne ho asem mani hia wo fi so obi wo ha bibi kete na be me na firi mu na nka wotena ase a enka nyankopon wo mfiri wo bia nyankopon omfiri wo bia
call to glory
nyankopon omfiri wo bia enti me kan form say wasetena brepi wo na gya wo kɔ no akosiesie ba bia ma no wo wi a wo beba onya maaye no kyenkyena wo so wo bɛkɔ wo kɔ akɔyɛ den na akɔ abɛtena hin nyankopon omfiri wo mom ye hwea pom dine ho asɛm eyie wo ye hwɛ ne yie papa na nsɛm a yɛkɔkɔ na ɛbobɔ ba no ɛyɛ ahomete ɛya dakoro adent na ese basa brane mo aduane papa ni aduane ni din the future life dache wonkwa Future Life kura 23 vitamins and minerals, 19 amino acids, omega 3, selenium, modicare, inulin, dietary fiber, high in protein, inti di bi enchiri womu ne buro fom ye all inclusive food. Bibia ka ho. Eno na wudie na ebo da ache ho ban. Na me se wa hwe ni yi a. Woma waduro mum na ye waduane. Obese egu nsema nopa awiane anwumre. Eno so nteme mmoa. Eno abekun teme kamfo ama wo se didi yie. Na aduane ba ko obedi ebabo ye Future Life. Dache wonkwa na wo bo ho ban. Ansane ye beda ne ba ambassador no. Ye wo life tonic. Sane na Omanhene ka no. Life tonic dudo no. Enye ye ka tonic ye nkase mojeduro. Eye dudo ankasa. Me se wonam ba bi atobi. Tobi na mwa akora efi nipa wodi mfie edunan so ekosi mfie nyankopon de amawo ehesa onom life tonic enu firi ho a nnuane ahodo na ye bebre ambassador beka ho asem ni Future Life anye wodache ebeka koye niema bebre basa wo beka dem nipa wote wo ho no wo frɛ no a wogina wo nkyɛn pa nso womfa onye so tutum se wa branka sankasa na wote dem akuya na awai wo frɛ no saa wonye so yare ye o enu nti ye kan ni say no ye kam wo hunu se wodi ye aduane na wudie enye aduro na wo nom didi ye na aduane na wudie Future Life no ye adwuma adwada adikosi memene da ye wo so for lie alignment interchange soro Kumase enkran ya Ghana Telecom University opposite woko Palace Mall bia so a Palace supermarket bia ubenya Future Life na wonso wedi amana boawo me say ya anye ne saade a maame papa minua me wofa ase me ba nsam ne be bibire mane moaw 0246 01 another 0150 0246 01 another 01 and to asomai
beautiful you Future Life for say na Oman ka say Oman panyina ko pie wo Trump krom ho sister station bi mit say Oman panyine ne o say ye dia pomuden e na chechire Oman enti se woni apomuden a Oman no ntimi nkoso enti na wo hwa abrofo de hospital anase apomuden bi a usi hokra wo ho beto efi say ye ha na ntisa wo hospital bi kura be sam waya wo be san nya infection kura mpo enti meme ne wa sabi ye ni bi no fi sa me na bo apom de eban efi se eno ene wo security unyini no ebedru ba bi tete de onua yi ka no wo furo bi kura wo mfiu daache de ayi obi na ne bi betima ye ochina enti bo wankasa wo daache wo ban wo daache wo ban de wa sede se wo obi ene ho be ya ma enti fi sa bre ne didi yie enkasa wusa eno na ha nkrofo pi o se mi so abi ntimi nya stroke mi so abi ntimi nya diabetes mi so abi ntimi nya pressure enti eni dia ope bia ye nuane ne bo nya din o e bo da che mo ba emprima ye rent na mu pi se nipadua ne hia balance diet dia ankasa na wudi se wudi aduane na esiesie nipadua no dia ya ne se nipadua ne inside no hu anase bia ensan gu a obehu ba se bibi ye nipadua no mu dia hu ubehwa na de court bia foforo mu de ohaw bebrabre ni padua no mak bibi a che ho na cancer de so de ho agem cancer e friend kwanko yare afi obemu se na de ohaw bebrabe fie mesre obia chassis ni Future Life ebi ye 55 Ghana cedis chassis di ne bo onye den aduane auto ni 55 cedis obetima di ne 1 week eye aduane papa e bo wo ni padua no enye se wunya aduane papa ni wo fie na we balance diet and pedua ni hia sine ebo ho da roso bia mra ya so yo mepe bi ni na se no beauty food na ba collagen food no eni pedua bia wu nyina from 25 years na collagen o mu no kofom e na repair food nso aba me so repair o car o repair o fie wa poso no wu nyina na gregre no ho nyina na ewe na esa na wudi Future Life repair food na ekosha na mu na ma o mazo ni nyina ye kama etima wontiri ne dendende ye se ye frɛ bibi sciatica ensa ma saa de ne nya wansa na beauty food no so wudi a collagen wo mu na boost beauty comes from within e sha se firi nipadua nim na apie honamani mesrɛ obia mra ya so ye onuane bebre ho beboa se de onuane kan diabetes se obia obi pressure obia obi na kidney problems obia enya bi se so kidneys na what they call for my ede yare bebre na bro Future Life for hose ebe boa o ma be de bia ma kidneys na nya ahoden liver benya ho de wo lungs wo bibia fi wo tinyu su ko su na ase future life ni siesie ni padua no ntem pene ma yare ntina ni padua no mu didi ye wudi na no pa no wadi na nwumre awia no wadi normal food oba enuane a wudi ni padua no mo ano ye de ho se be kyerɛkyerɛw na so wudi so a de ha ubia no ebekɔ entina ma yare mfa no we greet ahodo eboa na ade ba ko ha mem ma prostate and obi bia de enlargement aka obia and a cancer so den ho agim fi se be che ni na infections na this ade ne ba eti se infections no so Ghana ha 95% obia obi efi se me sabe me kotena toilet so a de obeba bi ono so benya bi me di kofi a obia so benya bi eti yo greet ahodo ha ekusa amo ni nyina obia mra ya so ne emo afisa mapom de ho hia ye enwu na nka nche se baifo ne ku ho baifo no kwa wo yare ye benya baifo de ahye ne nti bibia ne ye ka wa nkasa so ni diye udidi ebisa mo se aduane mi didi na menya free mansa na madi yesi pintin bia dan o me pintin bia na o me didi ye ye nuane kuta nuane nura ekuti anyarewa ebusu immune system no efiri wadwene mo bi wa onyini kura bibia na ne rafi o de wetu ha na ne rafi ni nyina ya yare woni na ne ya ne ya ne mfia ne ya na otiti nku ya so o kidneys ne gu bibim tse kenten wachi se mo an ko ho a on be hyase ase no ekọ be mani ma e be cells no ama sebe odwunso kura bia obedwunso ntentema na sentimi efi utizun ko su na ase ye onioma eyi unipadua no mu fi nyina na sa wo sisi yare a nakotoja yare a wachi kase biebia bra exercise bi o ha ye kyerɛw eye nema ahodo bebre ntin ko gyina ba bi nsoma obi nka nkyɛn so ometɔma ye nuane no bra ne nu ni nkomo ye nu di nkomo ade ha obi ano ye no beka aduane a wodi emwa no ye beka kyerɛw ye de wapom de ntine wo ho udaache bo ho ban ese osiesie udaache e security so o meka dem ana yare bi fa nto ho ana wo so obi a wonko wunya sika emmo ho ban no bra so ne emmo na wo bewu a wawu frede chance wo betena ho na efie gya nyina adum obi amra ya so full alignment e main office no ya to nuane bia pete o man mu ebi wo mampon ebi wo sunyane ebi wo nkran ebi wo tesano kaso nyina ebi wo ya to apete pese obi adi bi na bo no ban kwala na ko school no ebi nkwala adwene mu mesi future life ya aduane a wudi a eboa nipadua na nkasa na collagen food ni de obi a metobi fisi obi wo kro 50 years ahuna so 70 years masrasa obi sra na ho nyina o de pons bo ne nsa ho ne na ho nyina na kokoso ne nachi e beauty food o bra na bedi bi wudi a obo so we de be kama tro den kama and I repair food no siesie ni pedua no bia be ni enioma ni nyina aba entra ma yare mfa no bra
entra ma yare mfa no mom
be do for the numbers ni betu dwa view
yes Omanhene sani ayesi akenka no wapom de ho asem ehia ye papa enu nti se ye takorade se ye cape coast se ye nkran se ye kasoa kumase greater kumase oba bunu memu nso a wo ye bi otachiman monko 3 in 1 mother care and university wo sunwane akire hia ye nuane ma hafofo monko ho na sani yesi kika koro no ewuo no nyankopon wo mfre obia ya hwe ye ne ye sofulai alignment ye adwuma adwada ko se memene da number ne ye 0242 87 80 90 0242 87 80 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 another 01 50 it's a future life there
okay nyamin kam ho pa yem to aso dwumade no e de free ha no mo na bomodina se wo enshare link na obese Sompa 93.1 na bibia anya dai enkoso kama emfa emmao na bibia enkoso kama emfa mao sana ye kono yes hey vidia that's to say bibia kama there e do bad there as papa say what do abe kamensa me gidi say maso yeso bibia boso ye ai alo pay mami tio
yo chance la veda sipi na arefo net for so ya tio bibia ni
abu mia mic no mami thank you
ye be ma busuafo nyina kwa aba e de aba Pimsan Company Limited so Nyankopɔn adom sɛdeɛ dwumadie ne kɔ no kɔyie paa na namomu a ahwɛfoɔ ne atiefoɔ nso nti ɛna adwuma yi ɛkɔ tɔten saa no ɛno ti yɛde ntia soronko ɛde firi pemsan ɛde ma obi bia Dr. James Amoa ɛne apamfo doctors ahodoɔ a ɛne ne adwuma ɔmo ne adwuma nyinaa Nyankopɔn nhyira obiara nso sɛ ɔyɛ n'afa mu deɛ sɛdeɛ bɛyɛ a sɛdeɛ aduro ne kɔ no yɛn nyinaa yɛahoɔden epia aduro na ama na akɔ n'anim na chancellor nso so aseda yɛ soronko sɛdeɛ ɔso aboa ama aduro ne kɔ n'anim Nyankopɔn nhyira wo paa na yɛka kyerɛ obiara sɛ wowɔ haw ɛwɔ dompem anaasɛ wontini mu a aduro ebetumi aboa wo na yi ɔhaw na afiri hɔ akɔ ama wo no ɛyɛ Semens Vital Herbal Mixture ɛne ne capsules aduro na fa ba bia obɛte sa agan no da bia yɛka kyerɛ sɛ saa aduro we ɛyɛ aduro a ɛyɛ enuane nuro bebree na wom ɛnam nhwehwɛmu ahodo a akom kɔfo a ɔmatena se ahwehwɛ aduro yi mu ɛma asɔne aduro yi so ama aduro no ɛyɛ yankasa yɛ dem ɛyɛ nubra nhaban ɛne nnuane ahodo a yɛdi nti no aboa ma aduro no na dwuma yɛ no akɔ n'anim paa enti sɛ wo ndompe mu haw bi te sɛ wati brɛmo yɛ ɔya anaasɛ osisi yɛ ɔya dendenden a mepa kyɛw aduro betuma agye wa ne Semens Vital Herbal Mixture ɛne ne capsules agan ne bi kɔna kɔtɔ aduro ne bi na wonya tɔ bi pɛ de ɔbɛyɛ ne sɛ ɔbɛfrɛ yɛn de nti ɛte saa ne sɛ yɛfa to yɛn ho sɛ wotɔ aduro na ɛwɔ sɛ yɛboa sɛ aduro no nom a wo ho tɔw na wo nsa nkɔ no nom nnuro ahodoɔ biara biem ɛno nti wotɔ pɛ yɛwɔ nsɛnkan bebree wɔ hɔ akyire a yɛne wo ka aburo no ka sɛ yɛwɔ course bi a yɛahyehyɛ agu hɔ na saa course no ebi yɛ wɔ adwuma mu kwan a fa so yɛ adwuma wote pemsan pɛ obi anim sɛ pemsan yɛyɛ job training yɛkyerɛ kwan a fa so yɛ adwuma obi kura anim sɛ bibi da form na opagya o techniques a yɛde pagya saa nneɛma no nyinaa yɛne wo bɛka ho asɛm afei woyɛ no to nkyɛn a wonua ne diem so sɛ ne siteɛ mepakyɛw obi nim sɛ aduane a medi ɔhaw bɛn anaasɛ nsunsuansoɔ bɛn na ɛwɔ me so ne nyinaa no semensfoɔ yɛkyerɛ saa nneɛma no nyinaa enti sɛ wonum aduro no ka ho pɛ wosisi na ɛyɛ ɔyɛ akyɛ anaasɛ wakyi brɛ mu a ɛyɛ ɔyɛ akyɛ woto ase atwetwe sciatica na ɛwɔ so no bɔsɛ sisi a na ne nyinaa kɔ fam koraa na sɛ afiri hɔ koraa kɔma wo ne nyinaa yɛ sɛ wode nhyehyɛe no ɛbɛka aduro no sɛdeɛ ɛbɛkyerɛ sɛ nom no wode bɛyɛ adwuma no ano no biribiara asɔsidi ama wo ahotɔ no bɛwie pɛyɛ gye yɛ numbers no natural numbers ne to na frɛ sisi a wobɛtumi afrɛ doctors wɔ akyirɛ ɔmbɛfa ɔmo no wobɛdi nkɔmmɔ na biribiara yɛ kama ama wo number no yɛ 0244 718 557 0244 718 557 and I say 0241 604 702 0241 604 702 sa numbers yi mienu ne adidi dwuma ho ebia now the whole pedro ne picture ahwe anaso person de kona akɔkyerɛ pharmacist bi anaasɛ wo de kɔkyerɛ herbal shop bi ni nyina ansɛ wo be send a message hi ebia no good morning good afternoon good evening anaso de bibia de obe bia no ye be ma wo aduro ne picture no wo be hu mesha no wo be hu capsules no say the city na wo de kɔ pharmacy anaasɛ drugstore anaasɛ herbal shop bia wo kɔ asme pedro we bi ende wo kɔ a wontimi modin no kura sɛ Semens Vital Herbal Mixture ne capsules na wokɔ na de akyerɛ eno ano no ye be yi aduro ndi ama wo na nso wa frɛ na ye ya kyerɛ kwan a bɛfa so abɛnom no because condition bia ne sɛ de obesi anom no dosage na sitie wo de ne sciatica wo de ne osisi bia osisi no wo de na adwuma na wo de nya frim obi a wo ye wara sɛ omo kukuru omo soa omo pagya saafo ni nyina no na wo tu form wo dɔ omo twika akese ne nketo nyina trotrofo saafo ni nyina na sɛ wo de ne de wadwuma wo ye no ayakra chidwuma na sɛ raba adwuma wo te fa akosa na sɛ nyina ho bebre na wo gina mepa cho sa ama osisi o ya taduro ne bi wo de no sɛ bia na ye enteric fever ana sɛ typhoid fever ana sɛ wo de ne peptic ulcer aduro no etimi boa peptic ulcer etimi boa enteric fever na sɛ typhoid fever etu to a na sɛ ono ma ba bia yo ya bia sɛ ye onfe sɛ ye osisi ohunam duane nyina ye oya malaria no ohunam duane nyina ye oya wo de to aduro na nom na anoma bibia be kama afei so ye bema me pato maka cho sɛ aduro na ye adwuma wontinim hwe o di aduane bi anase o num adura e wo se onya de enuane no bi wo mu a ebetimi aboa yi wo ntini mama ntini mu ada ho ebi tse enuane no bi tse nitric oxide na adwuma ye ne se ntini bi amu asisi no ebeyi ntini no se esrade na adam se ye moja fi na ada ho eba beyi ni nyina mama moja timi de afusa na yakọ hunam de akọ ani nyina enti so ye bema na bema na sini trase bema ni ntimi mpeja bema ni ntimi nsore a me pato e kire se moja ntimi ni afusa na nko ho agan uto agan no ma e beboa ma bibia mu ada ho na wonso bema na timi asore gina ho kama obi wonso ane de timi sore nanso odi ko gba ani a na oda ya me pato premature ejaculation no me pato wonso beto adoni bi wo tope wo de anso be frɛ na course na yakasa ewa akire no unua ne diem o lifestyle ni nyina ya church ni nyina aka ho untade hyem ni nyina da na me ka bibi sɛ obi kura nim sɛ entade hyɛ kura ɛwɔ nsunsuanso ɛwɔ ya pomden so me pato me busa o sa question we o so the belt mia mu a moja betime de afusa ne ana sɛ so the bibi ɛhyɛ bonsa fan sɛ watch na de mia won sa de bed na moja etime de afusa ne ni nyina no ɛyɛ nimdia bia ye ninti ni nyina ye be kyerɛkyerɛ waka ho na etime aboa pa ni nyina so beto aduro no afei wo ye oba me pa kyɛw mfiti komo ha wo ho dysmenorrhea na sɛ ni dane na wo ho anasa wo de ende ate kokra o menses no ntimi nkonfitire wo so hwa wo nu menopause wo nsa anyem me pa kyɛw to aduro ni bi wo to a no afa number no afrɛ
okay
no wadi nkomo sɛ aduro yu pe bi ato ampa kyɛw ko PFA pharmacy pharmacy New Road Junction he ya Colinac ene Dani herbal nyina wo Ashtown ni mrom Mr Apidank Paul Saventures mu nyina wo mrom a ombeboa wo konkokɔ so abehu Isaac Drugstore so ho also be ma obi ato afei so ayonte akubam so nkran so Repass Ventures tina tete ba na Hallow Seba na okokeko so a Pena Herbal na Mankesim so Jeff wo social taxi station ho a obenya bi ato ho wa kageti anso Obroni chemist Legacy Pharmacy so wo Tamale me pato ko ho na kwanzu ho na Japan Motors ho anase ofa kodwo wo Somotes anase taxi rank ho Tamale ubenya aduro ni bi ato ukọ tikobu number 1 na Cote d'Ivoire so a ubehu Odalo Herbal so on so be ma bi ato Sir Charles wo Takrade efie kuma number 9 ni nyina nse wo be fire number no na afre ya de safo nyina numbers be ma o was so wo takwa abiduro fie wo was abiduro fie frɛ no na on so be boa na wanya aduro bi ato na bogo so ye unique number na 0244 718 557 0244 718 557 and I said 0241 604 702 0241 604 702 yes say again ni aka say eto sen koko ne wo so a to edro ni bi o to wi afre yin say moja bakra o frɛ ya ye no be di nkomo na ya kyerɛ kwan afa so
again eto dey
eto sen
thank you very much okay abusuafo ebase ya na onipa bia wo se de ahia wo kasa ehia edrume bia wo kasa nipa mu a na sa wo de utisie na nkrofo twetwe o manim no you say you are not taking good care of your teeth. This morning active point for any action komo na yehunu se ne besi ahwe bu a ope whitening bu a ope se wo se no se de sububuo ne niema bi nkoye yentie active point.
That's a partner mechia wati for no ahefo na se ne brebia edin komo ewo yenum ene yese ho no yeguso aye ne saa say ye sorry a bitwitwe yese na nwumre nso yese twede nyade a etweto a ye beye na odidi nso didi wie nso afre nso ohoro wanum na nketenkete na aka ne nyina emfiri ho na wanum no enna ho saa nketenkete no
o kan me yes ade ne pa for quite some time now.
Yes,
me didi wie a before nwumre me pesti kra no ohoro wanum na se opigu a na who says udidi ye niema wo wanum pa but many people don't do it. Owi anu anum sio me cry the ya me rub bathroom de me sakra. Yes, I see to say my hands are clean. I grew gram numa pick good just about 3 times.
Yes, ya na eboa pa e na say ebin so awo fie na say udi oil aduane a oyi wo mu na say obinya warm water kakra bi a
ka fa horo anum
fa horo na oil na be da asenso no na ne nyinaa emfiri honom na onima da ho kama no bi so ma why whiten also ye whiten no ewe ye no anche ama ne se no e san change color o didi wi na de warm water no e wo horo wo se so a ana wo e wo horo wonu ma ne nyinaa be fi honom na wonum da ho kama enum horo no wo didi wi a ehia pa na be nso be floss no e ya so de dental floss e be yi wo se ntem ho na dia keka ho bi honom a na bia kohye honom na wo ni nyinaa fi honom mo kofa dua bi kofa baa bi kofa prae bi e de ya mesra ha na akoti o gam na asia chinam no na e de asem foforo e na abra ontu be he so de dental floss e be ye na wa ma onan so ayentinti a o dentist honom acha 6 months bi an be ko dental clinic na akwa cleaning and scale and polishing no na bibia afiri honom na wanum no ada ho kama na de wo se wonfa wo se no enye bia no na watimi e de aye e ma ekwan meda ho so benya enum ne esenyare because enum ne esenyare no ya na edoso yi da wari ya e how e na ebebre wo na ene koma ebedi no eye yesen a emforme eyie eye malformation of teeth
okay
de eba ema yesen no intim emforme eyie no the malformation of teeth na say was no baby and say is baby o say is no na ankusi ho no
asante force wo faase
no ha ya na ebi etie say obi so no a obeka na siansi so no intimi ni nyina
intimi so ise na say bi adikan
ne bi adikan but o kan so wo say o kan so efiri akiri na wo say eso de no emeto efom de no na ebi ya ni ebi enhia kama ha say
my de ahwe
ha na je say o how bi e wo simu inti malformation of teeth no ya na eye ekwan a oseno fa so a ensisi ye ya na ebi de ya na ekoso eye say obi hono a osua no ne oral health no na wofo na momani anko ho yi inti bibia na o de church nanum bibia na owe na ne se no so fifi no mo ahwese ne a ekọ no e na kwara o munum o monsa ne so no obo nso o mo se no ya na intimi na ahono na peja ya open gam no hono ya na edon so ha bo se o nyino na emu no ebi na ya na malformation of teeth no se ebasa na o bite a embaiti o we sa de kra na untimi enyosa ni na eno akofa asafofro de ababo se intimi endigest ye na edo haw na aba wo system no mu na ebasa nso a bo se etimi edo haw foforo nso eba wo digestive system no so a ya na emoa ye kra na tooth deformities malformation of teeth yo na hodo ya na ebi se teeth ni shape no ense enye normal shape no bo se ebi son ana se ebi esua na ebi so mo a senia e wo se online no intimi online ya na se intimi se sasu yi na we si ha na ne structures senia e wo se ne structure no tie no se form kama no bo se intimi form ye ya na e ba se ya bi won de ya na cause sa ye e kwa esen no e fa so efifie no bo se enfifi na ba bi akosisi ba fufuru bia na e do how ebre na de ya na e cause ya na ebi e wo busua no genetics no ya na ebi wo busua bo se busua bi ho no a o mo sen for so inti e na ya bo so na mu a obetimi enya bi na bi nso environmental factors no e bi ho no a maame no enyem no or lake nutrients bi or lake vitamin D bi e won system no enu timi e basa na bi nso maame bi nso no a onyem no osmoki se osmoki a e ya na e makora no e development no e bitimi e ko affect ne tooth formation no smoking no yamuna se osmoki na etimi akọ affect akora no ese no ehye dubo so obi ni no na ne sense de wose isi no na entimi ensi
dental formula na nhye
yes na entimi anhye na edo how na abra bi so no ya wo na wie no ya na ne jaw ho no ya na eho no ni sua enti de wose enfifi mra ne ya na entimi enfifi mra enti space e wose nda ho no na special wisdom teeth no ya na entimi emba mehye ho no enti se gam obi so na gam no ya na yare ewom yare no osua no yare ewo eba ne gam no mu a ya na ne gam no ni ahodi enti ba bia na esen no epie na akọ hyehyɛ baby basa na edo how na eba
je ba ne say what do you do to help
eya na yetimi treatment ewo ho abi wo ye orthodontic treatment na say braces no
okay
bones or the braces ego so
sheni para na correct no
ye no correct na kama obi so on mo a baby a ebisi na ense say esi ho no yetimi etu okay etu free ho no mo a na nese no etimi ahyehye kama e do bi so on mo
the scene was on the Dracula scene
obi esen development no sa na eye
see where the cover
yes no no shape no na isua development aye sharp yes interesa na o we sa de kra no ntimi nyusa ni yie na eno so e de oha hofro e na be bo so betwa x-ray no na ehihye mfiamfia hodom na eno na yese ni teeth no ntimi amfo me ye basa na e de oha e na e basa o se no for so a ya na kwan be down say bitmenya bad breath na halitosis no because if finish we simu a wo brush a wontimi brush ni yie na eno so ama oha e de abenkwara no se omnya halitosis na ya na e ha o mu yie pa wo so ne na hofo ni di agora na
o kan se onu nya ntokwa onum kankan
sa na abunsa kwara no na ha no school mkura de na enye kwara mpanimfo nso bonse timi etwon ne ma bibiri ekwachi nti behwe se ebe ma yeni akoya num ene yese ho se de be ya nsesan bia e hya se eba so ewo yenum a behwe na na se woseno na a change color na se woseno keka na bibiara ekoso wo num e wo simu awonte ase bitwitwu se no wonse muja eba nyina no ba active point dental ka ye behwe na ye de ho dwuma e de ama na se ne wo se ye nyema na woseno intimi enyina bra ne bia no behwe na ye de ama your branch no Kumasi wo Santase de nyame e ben ultimate radio Accra Jolu Presby Junction ye ben Caterpillar road honom na ho so your branch ba ko e wo honom ka so Crispo City e ben farm depot sunya we abrosa na be kuku bodra about oboase dunko ajaso na konka road honom so branch ba ko e wo ho se hwudwuna sana de chef filling station atako achempem ye ben western transport station honom no oba e bie adwada kosi memne da no ba no ngotwe ekosi anwumre no nsia oba e behwe wanum ene wosen ha obia wosen atu na peso nsia oba e besi ama wosen no ena se bia wusa na ekobo ade so ma e change color e de ya oba ni nyina e be treatment de ama na ye percent for e de ahye so ama na ho ato ye be ndo ha obia ko so e wonum e wo sim bia no o frɛ number na ya 554
0554
571
779
0554 571 779 so follow your social media platform ni nyina so na o question bi ana o comment bi a obusa ya ibi you are no na o how bi ana ekoso wonum e wo simu anti ase no
Fadan active point with RCP okay all right the active point back to the studios very soon. My panel will be seated. Remember, former MC for Asawase in the person of Honorable Alidu will be joining me, Seidu, and Franco Tua Champon, a lecturer, Spiritual University, and a member of the NDC communication team, be joining us. We'll definitely be looking at the galamsey issue. Whilst the MPP is accusing the NDC, said the NDC made our fight against galamsey very hard. How true that is. State of emergency will be considered when necessary. Lands Ministry. Hey! Kofi Amabwa. NDC voters prefer Baumia, while MPP voters want Esiedun Ketia. Global Info Analytics. NDC voters prefer Baumia, while MPP voters want Esiedun Ketia. Why is it so? Agric teachers threatened the Mo September 30th over monthly side. Middle of Tansi na yenko na wana metwen wo. Now pom to say. Bibi awoko. Yeda nyame ase. Anopay info analytic for us me musa ho kekra bi. Omo nhwehwe mu no NDC voters prefer Baumia. MPP voters so say Esiedun Ketia na emra.
But as me no right na say we mama fa konye so say the die no champion info bi no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama me chair na no pe ma chair honorable Julius Debra our mo commitment am de ma o man himpunto de nkankro e beda o mase ya who say we are no ho ka de oni ntoma nko a kada bia anya dai yengura safo ana yes obia ebe ko a opede obetu abo no ana meboa
na esa mu betima boba o me asem poka and MPP for us so betima bo se nu nkatia
that's it so what I say nti obia unu obia kokko anka hu ye na kan pa kro nkwa bia ne fa kro adwojo ne ka so nu mu ana party
na MPP for mu se nu nkatia se wo ye
what's that
bayira abrewa adwo ho
Brian, who's not to demean General. General is somebody among the NDC fraternity or within the NDC fraternity, no, will be up and answer. But young can who say, general elections is not about NDC. Your Ghana mooning and a cotton.
No, correct.
So I say, NT say, your cofa will be a sabi, a party, Manukwan, a pen as a man. At the end of the day, your general elections are the floating voters. The swing voters, the policies, the trend of events are they would definitely not vote for General. They would vote otherwise.
So what makes you think so? Because who said watch ya Julius Debra?
Mamencha General, so General
Julius Debra na chiano.
Mamencha General, so Mamencha because I in a party map.
Because info analytics say MPP for no see I said there is the best. And NDC for also see about me there omo de buy.
The ma kan de woman no. So bia no be kokon opedo be
MPP NDC for there omo de buy me abia ne bro no be easy.
Very easy. I'm here 38 years so 41 no munya no.
This time around your mama is not there.
You said the obi obitu abodo there da wo hia na sabi agropamation awbo na e quantify kra wo hia na person abono. Because there ya no ru Dr. Boakye obo be ka kire Ghana for. The number one quality I know one who na Ghana for be any so economic messiah. That is the no be any no. At the end of the day, you did too many man in few watch to one share sika some 2 years so I will my way. I didn't go see dollar.
Senior na candy for.
We are the head of the economic management team. The EMT.
They came to tell us the head of the economic management team was
does not make decisions, right?
Was Alan.
And tonight lecturers and all your lectures and all with the various universities, you know. And all espouse the fact that obey me handle the Ghanaian economy, no. Then none sabi you know what I'm saying. I know the cast answer no.
Then why do you think Julius is the best?
Julius is a very fantastic man. He's a young over the years.
But he's not known in the Ghanaian circles like I said. They know
them. They know him. In the fourth republic, NDC, I present you Rollins, John Jerry Rollins, flight lieutenant, former president, the main for the currency year. I present you Atta Mills. I present you Muhammad the first and Muhammad the second. It will surprise you to note, say, Nipa 9 way or maybe your man will swing in ano. They know a bow muchidom key personality, no do much you work, Julius Debra. So I say, Obia, not almost 2 years or more, no to almost she almost speeches somebody delivering in an regional Julius Debra.
That's what it's in Hussy.
What I say, or the Hussy, he's always behind the closed doors. No way, Jumano. Into what will be the kind of idea? What said the NSA, Uji, friend saying. And your man now why implementing or mine for finding to my prefer. Until you and a home for money commitment, or a very serious businessman, or a farmer as well. Ghana has an activity which may the unemployment situations where Ghana say really soon to the barest minimum, a farming activity, agriculture. Say you share, not say you near break pass your baby for unemployment issues, agriculture. And agriculture, the papa near Obia would agriculture or a serious farmer.
Somebody will say, NDC, you have a tall order because nobody has been put on the paper for the first time around winning election. This time around, you're going to put a fresh face on the paper, on the ballot. What makes you think
and we should always
change
also
the jinx?
We should also take cognizance of the fact that there's always a first time in everything.
MPP tried breaking the 8 AMFA.
Yes.
Because they presented a fresh face.
And I said, by John Dramani Mahama in 2012, he was the first person to be on the ticket.
He was a sitting president.
But on the tickets, generally, quite general elections.
When Ghanaians saw John Mahama 2012 as a continuation of Mills.
Mills, yes.
2016, they saw him standing as president. They voted against him. He lost 2020, a compressor. Atamos impress, Akufo impress, Akufo Prenu.
We should also know
one time
party Bians you know what the man we so once and then left office since the start of this Fourth Republic. And Biako 8 years, regardless of the candidates.
The person it is a possibility, say.
Highly possible. It is highly possible. Say,
after 4 years,
whoever represents the NDC will win power for NDC.
Okay.
That is my firm belief.
Okay.
You know, I'm for analytics, fine. Maybe in research and all in the debate. So, Nkebia or Wahadia, and a student of research, because I would have asked him certain, for instance, fundamentals or foundations in research.
And the parameters,
or you see here, or coming to that conclusion. But on the whole, major they say, the mekacha will not a woman say. So you be a woman in the paper, or any weak points, and what I say, Nipa Smith, or they say by my bono, or they say by my bono. Who say, General, the Chairman General, at the Edinburgh here, within the NDC, fraternity, he is loved by everyone. But Ghana as a country, you didn't be General Hosea to Abanemana. I think, say, ultimately, we need power my NDC. And Mimi Phil say, that is my candid opinion. Mimi Phil say, the president of Julius Debra, it will be a tough match for the MPP.
Really?
Because, sir, you're right, Julius Debra was a CSC and can once a month. MPP for now, crown be their dance, yes, dear money in our kafana. Talk of corruption, talk of hate words, blah blah, in Canfano. To say the name Ribini Castle, Rural and Chamatin or Bar. Then I will come for lunch about indictment, nothing. But they failed to present Rural Lancha Martin. So in our case, we are presenting Julius Debra, and it will be a very tough order for a friend saying MPP. No, and
somebody will disagree with you in the same party. But for you, they think he's the best bet.
For me, so that's why we have opinions like noses. Everybody has one.
Okay.
And to me, dear, me GD said from me assessment, my any Nipa no.
Haruna Idrisu, what do you make of him?
Haruna Idrisu.
Info Analytic came and said he was leading.
Haruna Idrisu will be
the last time I saw
a bit
wonderful, beautiful outfits. I said Mabia Haruna Dem.
Brian, the woman say Ghana, our political friend is a dispensation. You know, a bear didn't buy one was a better Obama Sabi, notness. Home, you know. Let's not forget, John Dramani Mahama is from the north. So do you also think
the next election NPP presented by Omiakra Nyadia
and I know can't be to Umbelusi, because Ghanaians will not vote for two notness consecutively. No.
Oh, okay.
Consecutively.
But then it means Baomia is also
not now, and it will not favor him.
From the north.
Yeah, yes.
Though he's an MPP, but MPP candidate, no.
But they will not vote for two people from the north consecutively. Mahama Ba. From 2024 to 2028. Now from 2020 to 2032, as I control about Masabi.
It's not.
In fact, and you know, me this Haruna will advise himself and then be a running mate to Honorable Julius Debra.
Okay, let's look at Galamsey. Your government stand accused. Stop Galamsey now. Campaigners. Almost one penny your mama. Much ado about nothing. Ninkasa nyina chese. Bakukwa do seen in Ibrahim now is the biggest gold mining concession in Ghana. Ono ne wo. Etinya dia papa no betimi ayede. De tosu mienu MPP for say mumma Galamsey fight ye dema wo mo. Mo say 120 days mo betin suani. Munya hwe.
Right.
Yeah, let's kwanyako ensure 2024-25 air trendy.
My candidate
have you lost the Galamsey fight? NDC.
We've not lost the fight against Galamsey or illegal mining activity. But I would say, Galamsey issue, we should discuss it dispassionately. Me and Farmer, honestly speaking, say, you dealing with this issue, you're dealing to the roots. Me and politics, and a friend is saying, Galamsey to it. I didn't tell me, you know, so better than beginning make us the same way. Bet my catcher, Ghana for nyina ne Sompa for ahwefo nyina catch us both parties in nyina no ya fairly Ghanaians honestly when it comes to the fight against galamsey. You fairly because as I'm speaking with you now, the condition of our river body is the same.
Very deplorable.
Very deplorable.
Upset.
The condition of our forest reserves is not the same. We've not been able to address the issue holistically. So we are all trying. MPP for try president not a point in the new presidency there. They at also says want to me and fight or fight it. Galamsey head on. Send Obelusi presidency in the crown now. Now
they are blaming you. Say Mona fight in the year or more.
At the time, I make us say they had everything at their disposal. All the security apparatus, machinery, everything. So who stopped you? Kasana ni ekagum from amuni na si wo hu kwan sese bi menkoti menko jai insuo na omukofo se do na asa kwae na omo se do no. It was much ado about nothing as usual. They are not more hearing in because there were some government officials who were neck deep into the illegal mining activities into no omo ntumi anko okono. Abamu ni party tribu bia na omuhemu na omu ye bie edi so mfaso no ntino oyokon no be ye friend say okon den ma omo ntumi anko sa akon no. And the same thing is happening to NDC. I will not mince words. So I said there are people, government officials who are neck deep into this activity. And it's making the fight against galamsey very, very difficult. But I think I will praise John Dramani Mahama. For the first time, say, what deployed the military men, say, yanya 44 hotspots of this illegal mining activity. Or the soldier for permanently. Yes, one more quack alcohol, no alcohol, and crofona, no masamba fee, no crofona sanquadi or mujuma derby. They are going to settle there permanently. As our 44 spots in the and ya de will be beer who quine emanacodi, sir, galamsey, no jumani be all. I think this is commendable. You hear about somebody now, you bet. Say on ton kosona other sports are omutu galamsey nginano yan deploy military men so young you deploy military men now excavators chamfans water pumps any some machinery omudi ye dwuma nginano yan free omusam nenka soldier for no kwan wo ho say ne omu ho no so omuso be di galan dia say ne shovel no hwibaro dia ya na nsensuo because galamsey of Ibrahim mienu nyina say takwa important ho priest ho ni value nyina from about centuries ago no mutu galamsey but now it did not affect the water bodies and the river forest reserves then e near omudi excavators chamfans water pumps any big friend is saying machinery e call illegal mining activities hu e na ma yensuo e ye nkwaye den SSA until for the first time omampani say what deploy these military men so omo sa hotspots ya na sa so ya yetu galamsey na omo enforce enyoyo omo ntena ho afebo omo prevent obi biara sabi o tu galamsey no wo say kwaye no wo say ensase na masra asoja fo no so sabi omo enforce enyoyo yinim Ghana fo yinim bibifo yesuban ekoye na onitua oyeso okobo ban so na aja enoma na mase ye besre wo omo de adwo mo di to some extent ejomudi omo force enyoyo no mo nsu onu kwaye no hedan eho ban mayen so because the devastating nature of these water bodies in forest reserves no it's so appalling udo ni hwekura enye ye ma the area view of these mining communities are who can be enye and trickle down ama yenya asabi etikroma wo se wo de o nka ho no and it's been published they about to just say contemporary vegetables near the idea are contaminated because of the cyanide and the mercury addition to the soil.
Earlier you mentioned say NPP during that time almost blame momo say mona mama the fight against galamsey they had every arsenal at their disposal.
Yes.
Today,
yes, we have it.
NDC, you have everything at your disposal.
Yes, so we should be able to fight
it.
That is what I'm saying. Said there are people within our party. I will not miss West. Muye and the men can come in Ghana and yet your money.
Now then, the if the quest MPP yebi, Emma a corner yeding now Musumu yebi. Resetting means let's go back to basic and do the right thing.
Akwas were fascinating crew. Or fascinating crew, me and the cashier, or me and the cashier or fascism. Well, me and so on, and I need
Party bastard in the whole room.
What I say, or fascinating crew, me and the cashier team. No, well, me and so on, and I need
that is the Siano on the whole. Me and the cashier to where me as well at the expense of Ghana for a few people are making our life unbearable.
I was of the view, say, Nipa no more advocates say, first emergency, national emergency,
state of emergency.
And I think I was in support of them because if we don't halt these activities, now you can say that is where the problem will come from.
Okay.
So because we've identified the hotspots 44, I want to see a jai, but the BIMU system no more mudi galano.
Almost way.
What are we doing? Okay.
Emma, honorable Alidu Akwaba, honorable salamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Now, pom to say.
Yeah. Boko eja
info analytic issue me busa yitiawa almost say NDC force you ba omiana ba bebo apa na MPP force so we say dun ketia bebo apa enti won ka san che na ono no research no dia ba
ni komo bia obisa wa obia wo
and I'm say dun ketia is the best bet. Oh,
David
Musa Dankwa. Election prediction, everything okay,
yeah, say, what NDC food do is you now.
So, Mike, no, be answer.
Would you say, eh? Or the guy say, or Julius Debra.
Waboni Dinkwa, or see is the best bet.
Yes, so sad for no years we pay. May say, maybe Julius Debra. Because you blood up na buy a issue statement to say and kwada ya for maduma
were you already
heji ya power
na mo de na 2028 ma ka kire nkrofo say we na yi maduma
enti se busa dan kwa ese ye ye be ase edungati a enye no kore ye nsoma ho be ma rana nsoma
mo pe Julius Debra onam betima biti
ono na ehia no
na this for so mo pe ba o mea eno de wonyi ni
okobra ne se obebra wo waso apafin me don't want to Ghana and I NDC we na 24-hour economy omo ba omo se akonya bia adwuma eni ti su bia no ye di mienu be ka won da miensa omane me ne wo me kai wayi
swame
fie me ka kire wo se omane ye be si usua anke ya ne madema Oman penny ya na wote so asabe no no mo bo no nto ayi me ka kire wo se wa be ye bi da enim no wote nchen ya na no da wo de amamuo hye ne nsa ye de kenten be konsuo maka kire wo be ka ya me ka kire me ni zuba Oman ni mi ti na me ba yi nanka me be yi nanka waso abo
ana ese de kenten konsuo
ana ga de gwete kote
ewe
ana nkwa 24-hour economy minim de Saudi awo ti ase de aka ewe aba
Guzitano say it's going to be a very difficult journey
na o twa nka egu anu wasi dan
o say a very difficult journey
na ye no o ka kire
wan ka say they can accomplish
ye mba nu tie
they pete dey
ye mba nu tie o say 24-hour economy ye ka kire o say be ma hwe yie nsam na mo ka nu o ye yom say o da bi e betu o betumi aye o man na ye na so aba na ye biza say 24-hour economy no ewe ya kakra na omo mu nkura wa be pam wo mo say omo de omo nsem fata omo ye MPP fo wa dwini mu no eno sunti no omo nsem fata so omo be didi eti safo ni nyina ye mpam omo no omo nkofie Julius Debra ya na issue statement bam eti statement no
mo de ato ho twen no
be de twen omo achire ha otio mu be chire ma bre you go explain tire unim omo wi omo si o omo efa omo December ni mu na yakoye yunkrofo efa omo 2017 on the altar of partisanship na ene se ni ba no ese twa no se o pe president edi Abraham me ali me ye no campaign a metoto boabo no ye pa metutu no sra ni abasa wey sansem we sa mi kirem minya konya na mi chirempa a link Julius Zebra e de ato me ba omia no a ye beto no fo na me beto ba omia me beto ba mi alidu amete me beto ba omia na why na one ba omia kwa Julius Zebra no one why ono no chief of staff no a NDC ba e be share mo bo se omo de 24-hour economy we ba mo ka say desk bia nipa miensa betna so ye wie ono ni obi a otwere letter de ba say mo ya fa madwuma kora no ye mpempa mu nyina ono no na visa me ton ba omia na mnya say nipa we ye ba mu a me ton ba omia na me ton liye ma me ho beton papa etie no say
Musa say na wo ka dia say de omo so fa ne ma
say Musa dan kwase wakoya research obo a won research bia me so ali do me so me say me dey make reality yes as a research student and but me say yeah there
na won say NDC the Julius Zebra beba
yeah onu po ne e pa omo cho so mo fa ne right ye pa mo cho mo va Julius Zebra mra
MPP NDC for pa mo cho so mo ba omia o e na mo de ba omia kwa no mo bro no
o da bi le omo anka hu ne omo candidate me wa omo ni omo candidate mu am candidate anya ba na am candidate yani mu woni wa mu anenam what does it so na ye ka say Omanhene me alidu am ye MPP ni de make a che Musa Dankwa ne say Musa Dankwa yi wona wa kwa research na wo say ye pe ase enu gacha enye no kore
galamsey
me pe ye pe Julius Zebra
galamsey
Omanhene answer na me ko galamsey so no na ye 23 September the best party for MPP party for 31st January ye kwa akoto aba na ye Frank Atuni Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wa ton no awie constituency bia ni o Ghana ha Bawumia nko so at least the minimum be prensa kwako ba bia na no ese nkwada bi ko hia na ye bi se am say one vice president omo yedu na say omo na Bawumia last one say Bawumia nkwada ni nyina ese Bawumia o ka say Omanhene ebedu bre bi kra na kufa do kra di na emu Bawumia
but say me hu ma notice ade bi eya come say the most worn campaign t-shirt today Bawumia t-shirt
yes me wo be
why is it like that is it because ebia NDC winning power no omejai omatade shana
that be that's
ana afa na moche
abambu aba dabi na onim say me na me call station sister station me wie ya na kofo mi unu ba ase ga tell so mo sere me mo t-shirt me kofo abi fifie de bre o mo de
enya do kore
ebia afa na mo ba so election na moche
Brian de wo mo ni say Bawumia party no Bawumia t-shirt no kofo de ko sie
enya no kore
kofo bi party t-shirt no ko sie
omo
yagum and it is so in Ashanti region alone yes I had a stronghold of them
and definitely Bawumia campaign for primaries no kora before so constituency no ye no ma ye the ground team no ye the t-shirts kokoma all delegates
that na mo nse
obi ahye
osinde
obi ahye bepmene me no ka say MPP ni bia ni wa oni Bawumia tade be mienu at least for them me at a point obi tumi ka say na ona bo say me nya bia iwo de na ma me mitumi to atade hye eyi me de ma obi me ka dance asokwa I was in this t-shirt me t-shirt Bawumia t-shirt my ekoto atade bra me.
So what happened?
I'm telling you.
So what happened?
That is how it is. I akono
shirt de ye be she baba de yanto ma
MPP foi yenim dada Bawumia 41% ni onyan yeah sana mo de mo sese no me ni say da baby amukunya mo de no 41% Omanhene
unprecedented
41% de ye che obi afi na o sha se fi zero omo ba ni nyina obi asefata obi a nemom akonya nipa ba ko be e na wo so otena so ni mienu tena so a enye yie And no soon to do say, we will all be aligned. We will be aligned. Me about me, obey, by a very and by you might 2 NDC. Into young hair, Cassamuyi. Over to me, I can pay a more candidate, yeah. Maybe they are making about me, yet did not quite, who be a baby no one dance, say. Wa conducting home, one vice president, our big idea, Sebio Union, Hunters, and Bianca. I been there. I been there.
But young galamsey.
And the MP before Antony boom. Boom, 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 pa. Every mother about me because I know the bit to me, I did 2 million FNDC for us. Omanhene. Galamsey. Omanhene, oh, crowd about me by you are having. Man, as I'm out the buy. A low hanging food question. Wo me no nyina be di adanse. Adwuma me no why ya che. Me no say more than 20 years.
That's right.
Omanhene, da ban pa na wo sori ya. What is galamsey etu atise pa che a che brebia apart from this time around. Oh, hwemfoni a wo twae. 2024 nsu kala.
Kwanya ako.
Any 2025 nsu kala. Hwe President Kufuor time. Na galamsey, we kaya sata na Kufuor de struggles near ya nkwa ye baby kakra. Oh, 90 ba ya pe 2009. Obe kaya. Eho e na galamsey chance ye say eco mining, eco forest reserves, eco water bodies. Nini na e ye omo time. Look, ye ba ye na Kufuor. Me kaipa time anam ye war regional security council. There was a presentation via Ghana Water Resources Commission for Beye. Omo kire say, look, say yan hwe ya e bedum rebu Ghana kire nsuo. Enti ye Ashanti, the omo de bra no. E ma omo kire the effects of cyanide. Enye easy. Oman. And no the man na Kufuor look, omo wie ya, omo koye presentation e man na do na wo Accra. E wo Jubilee House no. And no the man and I be bufu you can say, what? Debbie, what to me nyai ma o man no kosa. And no zuntino say na konya no kra no de beto so a fighting galamsey. Omanhene. And no the man obekai operation galam stop. Wa wine nini na bae. Obi betimi akase no kosi say yes. And so no unya o pepa na akase obeya de na o hyase na wantumi awie kra no a wa hyase. Because say okan no or the galam stop ne sa other bodies ni nyina ba ya omu nyina fight galamsey sabre na na fight galamsey no Omanhene, you see one of the experienced press media men in Ashanti and Ghana for the matter who be say no question be say yeah can say sad time no one the man fight against galamsey no ding e de mai no kre me ne kwaku buan and a TV so say ya. And I kwaku. Madri almo say, yea, ye bet na some copims yesu beba on. Yen trasun copims yesu beba. And maybe beba mo baby because Ghana sanity he. Mo pa mon fast rombra form. Mo be lusu election. Ye beba. Ma atisa mo crop for the na mo see o ye say beba da ben ye baby o. Ya ka de che mudi. So when you are giving overwhelming endorsement, it comes with a whole lot of euphoria. The euphoria lead you into so many. You be cut the up. Oh, maybe you boo boo, you chicha. Baby, now you was a capture.
You are supposed to find X.
We are but we are. I mean, we don't need to find any X. I mean, the X has been found already.
Okay.
Yes, the X has been found already.
I don't want to be the
What does it? So, Omanhene. Ye can say na omo ye campaign say galamsey for nyina to abama omo small scale one to abama omo ba including the president can say oba omo ayachi won kura obeyi won
ne mom nyom na eye
enyom na e wa
na omo ye campaigns
ne wan mo
obe na ni besi
omo enti oba campaigns no wa che say
none.
So you've lied your way to power. When you bamboozle your way to power, these are some of the things that you are confronted with. Because with him, Sabre na we are campaign. Na sebi come here say, who see them no account? Omanhene na yen kwati na no president say o me dey o fa small scale management o ma kwan Australia akwa dey Omanhene mesrawo Omanhene mesrawo you be fair to me
Okochiro responsible mind
Omanhene Yaw he e Australia
aye
na Australia who's going to say wo beti amra baby emra no ya hihye wo hompo a obi dia so no e wo na akwotere e kwa be fa so aye mine Omanhene da bi wo boy ka wa no mo tinche o mo say yen declare state of emergency.
That's right.
State of emergency they say obi antimi nko ho
Kofi Amabo said the state of emergency will be declared when necessary.
When necessary is now.
He doesn't see it.
And I'm telling him sir Ali do say Kofi because say enra o kan na enra o kan ensuo eni ensuo nani
because he was of the view say the
enra
president
should declare to say now say declare state of emergency Kofi
2024
eni ene Kofi eni a say next coffee then o ka say when to implement it is not now na be da ben yen twen na nya say yi milo ansa edi ka jo Kofi say me say Kofi wachi na sansem no a mo de ba ye say na mo ko Australia mo be flying crofo ma san crofo mo be boy ka wo ya nhwe yie o ma ni e kan crofo be bo agu amaye no masa ye ntimi ntua me no ka say woni say Ghana public debt a 49 billion akoba 54 billion
dollars
abra enne bisa mo say from the length and breadth of this country from Galilee to Nazareth baby o mo to mechanized borehole ebi ni ho of Akokwa waye
ya ko 78 billion dollars ya 78 billion dollars
obi awi of Akokwa
ya wie ya twa sika de
no ya hu
sir
for consumption eti de ye ka che Ghana for
and they buy into salaries
for we say ya o sa na ya to salaries
dey twa
ya to ya the cow
be say ya spending friends ya nya
mon ya hu
ya nya why hu ya ntwa
ede na waye mon ka de waye mon ka ede na waye ede na waye
ya to petrol so
is it petrol so o ma ni say ya
and petrol both of them this is not the friends amount cost I better it's been reduced
dey be petrol cost
and your time not a little fuel senator
be 299
per
1299
per liter more time na say
ka chen
na 14
na 14 to 15
40
no be ka 17
no be ka 17
that time crude oil na say world market na say you see you cannot justify some of these things I am can because when ade ayekoto beton so okọ na ya tesu world market on van man be jibo kese enti sanity
alaji manyesa David don't do this because my obi this George Fashion technology no ne effect e be take ni one ye be training excavators operators na ya kra excavators ni bia ba ne ba concession a wo ba be use ye be ma wo say to mine no wo so no e be fa the coordinates of the concession na ye the tracking system what do you call it excavators in him. So we are in Accra monitoring every activity. Tracking system will operate such that say what track concession are the amount
now you are talking about small scale legal mining.
That's it. That is what we're going to do. And until automatically so what track concession is at the consumer and acquire it would stop. Excavator will stop any maybe. What that will be tracking the what they call it the excavators using the geofencing technology. Then again, there's a process in place. You be processing gold now. There's this technology. Good board director CEO, some Danadi said there's this good processing technology. And until you so inquire no young to a good year. I think so. This is the practice. And Carbino, you to me enhance in year about a friend is a galamsey. So, and until the master said, Abano with immediate effect, young Fasa, she said, any day, Juma, Nama Buana galamsey, no, Nicono, and we pay because see, I understand it, we cost Hakaka, we cost Crana, Sabi, Mwa, Yensuni and quiet and still I bedding, a best because the corporate responsible community mining, I think, are buying for and to join.
Some people think the government doesn't have the balls to tackle this.
What's that initially?
Acquire lip service and
in my earlier submission, I made mention of the fact that there are,
people within
the party who are
just like now.
MPP for
because MPP
yes.
So
and I think the government should crack the whip. The government should crack the whip. For now, the government should crack the whip because
MPP need be illegal mine.
Wow, bra. Akunta mine, Akunta mine,
illegal mine.
Huh?
Akunta mine illegal mine.
But you and I will agree, sir. When you stood accused, say people within your party were involved. Watson's report came with it. Report no the two job. Report
what office now no
report to so the come on man.
Yankasa Kofi mo bi so be bia anko the report bi ba
na mu didi enti wo papa do say
obo ni sigam na kai bi go person oba ni
the president denied the report.
Oh yeah,
the Jubilee House come and say report no kai.
We all knew say akwa ni apartment no kaka.
We are mischievous papa ali. We are mischievous papa and come out there. O cassette ya come out there
you say papa no pam na pam.
Hello, report. Hello, President Suji report.
But he indicted
Yaw.
Why indicted MPP?
He indicted NDC said even NDC for no be a mining no more than even MPP. It would have
yeah, in our case, in the okay kind
what bomb when they have to know any motion. Bomb we are to I never quite yabuno.
Oh my, oh my, no, secretary.
Bob,
prepare that now. Yeah, the adjudication is why and I awareness, Papa. Why you be? Concern with the you understand it? Mamma MC, Mancovi, Obiama to us. 80 Obiago, Obiama to us, the Biana to war. Eh? Yes, you go here. I don't call design. Now, 80. Happy
birthday to Nana Kresha. I want for a question. I do to prepare what report. No, a committee on the trial. Happy birthday to my lovely girl Stephanie, a free men's. Oh, my Stephanie, a free men's, your student of UDS Tamale main campus. Your mom is sister. Happy birthday. I do my Juma. I go see a friend Elijah of Kadasu Brasso from Kizito, Still Waters Radio. Happy birthday to Susanna Sedu of Temagolf City. Your brother is Enoch Apedo. Nana Fiam Ponsa of Afari Community Hospital. Mr. and Mrs. Osei Bones to send that to you. Ohinichiame Donko of Lawson Media. Today is your birthday, Ohinichiame Donko. From Bawa, Bedu of Sompa FM and Beatrice. Mad Mask. Today is your birthday, Mad Mask. Oh, Franklin from Sompa Morning Show crew. Happy birthday, Mad Mask. And then Eunice Asante. Eunice Asante. Dako. You didn't say Eunice. Number 2, Oba Eunice. Chicheja Bema Eunice. Now you're Obadi na Eddie Esa so that Yama Eunice. Anyway, that's a nice name. Anyway, Eunice Asante Dako of Sompa TV MCR. Happy birthday to you. We wish you all the best and God's blessing. On behalf of the entire Morning Show team, we say happy birthday. Okay. I was your former time also. Nah, I lead you pa.
Yeah, Pamano.
Oh my.
Why are you trivializing a whole report?
Professor. A whole professor. Oboa. Yo, where them
report even the adwuma bi anka ye fight galamsey.
Fight galamsey am obi ehu.
Obo yen dey. Mo ye dem.
Ana amani aye namu o Ghana ha galamsey.
Na ye fight galamsey na kwekubu an mo ne Dr. Tommy Obi mo ne na mo ga so mo ntoma wa ba ma mo bo mo aye na ye ne ka so mo koye. Ya mi na lu ya wanka. Say galamsey for me fight ma mo because abra ye kwasi musibi. Ye NDC ye campaign no a na ye best establish regional coalition center Ashanti region mo na mo bo aye wanti. O ma me nam kan. E di so kwa for bo ati be ke kan we masa nya no ne ye kan. O ya bi e pa mo nti na no ka.
Yo, Obaba Bonti bi
Ekomo ya.
MC, former MC, as a great man, Paul, and Motin Kano, so, and
Now, you pa, was it then?
We never come out you.
Sika,
the lecturer spirit I invested in
situations.
Now,
a situation boy different. And China boys with different, car boys with different.
It's a mono there, and Sika and I'm the touching.
Oh, now, I get you, I get
And you want to tell us,
and I say, or patches of one who got nephew and only any problem. Yeah, the problem. Uncle Kasai.
I was your phone. I want to power.